for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 Hyundai Accent. Designed to keep you moving and leave boredom behind, the Hyundai Accent is affordable, fuel efficient, and safe. A winning combination. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, front wheel drive, power steering, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, electronic stability control, USB connection, power windows, power door locks, auxiliary audio input, tilt steering wheel, tire pressure monitoring system. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.